Rarely in history does a turning point of a battle and a war happen at a precise time and a precise place. This is known as the high water mark of the Confederacy. Because of Rebecca's warning to the Union troops occupy Cemetery Ridge, the high ground that everybody was talking about. On July 1st and 2nd, the first 2 days of the battle, General Lee has tried to take Culp's Hill on the Union right and failed. They tried to take Little Round Top on the Union left and they failed. And on July 3rd, 1863, General Lee decides that he's going to send his troops right across this valley, and he asks General Pickett to lead the charge. The Confederate troops charge across this entire valley under fire the entire time by artillery and by Union musketry from these exact places. Now, as they come close here, they're being driven back, but one general, General Armistead, leads a charge, a final charge of the Confederacy, and he's almost to this very point, and he's just about to touch a cannon, just like this. And then he's shot 3 times, and he's dropped. At that point, the Confederates retreat across the valley. Meanwhile, back at Spangler Farm, right behind us, Rebecca is being asked to take over an ambulance because there's so few ambulances, there's so many wounded men that need brought back to the Spangler Farm to be treated, that she comes on an ambulance, she comes here, and as she comes to this point, she recognizes what the high ground discussion has all been about, why it's so important. She looks at the victorious Union troops on the ridge, and then she looks at the wounded, the dead, and the dying Confederates moving back across the valley. She's asked then to take General Armistead and take him back to the hospital, in which she does, and she becomes part of history.